Found this Born and Raised shirt on the women's section. They haven't brought out the men's stuff yet, but let's hope we get something on the men's. Yeah, maybe mixed. Oh yeah, Abercrombie Kids. That's kind of cool. I pray. From a mom in Connecticut who says it's always on in the kitchen. And my kids and I, whenever we're making dinner, wherever we're making lunch, wherever we're having breakfast, we are all dancing together. Anything to bring us together. I know that sweet thing, but boy, that touches my heart. As a mama, you want to have those moments of just joy and peace and happiness. Jackie Robbins.
Ahora me lo voy a probar. Esta blusita me parece que es el huevo, el chorcito, que lo cogí osito para el chorcito, ¿no?
Wow, look at this. 1987 Harley Davidson on the Hanes. This is one of the oldest Harley Davidson shirts I've ever found. Single-sided too. Kind of cool. See if there's anything else. Affliction, brand new with tags. We just got a bunch of Affliction at the other store, but I think I'm gonna, oh no, this is a different one. This is a different Affliction. This isn't like the Affliction. Freedom Defender. I kind of like this for myself, but it looks so big. We'll see. That's it. Just found this in the kids section. Wilson made in USA. Zach Thomas jersey, size XL. Has a couple stains, but not bad.
Taurus gun.
What made the difference? Really, honestly, it's probably seeing my girls praise him in the car, like they do when we turn on Kayla. It's an amazing thing. So I started listening when I was actually in high school, and now I am a mom with 2 girls, and the fact that I can just turn it on and I know it's always there, but I have listened to so many fudge drives, sadly, and not given, and finally, I know how to put my love for Kayla. Hey, listen, the doors are wide open. I'm sure there are a lot of people in the same boat that have listened for years and years and never given. What would you tell them now that you are a giver?
The last 30 minutes. So you want to eat all this?
Pro player, Kansas City. Vibra's J Balvin, and then the Weekend Madness tour. Seems like someone dropped off all their brand new Affliction. Some are like, see, this tags were ripped off, but you can obviously tell it was brand new. The black label of Affliction shirt, single-sided. We found 2 of these. I don't really know the brand, I just love the tie-dye on it, and for $1 you really can't pass it up. But it's this Cam Farming NorCal, but again, I just like the tie-dye of it. So we got 3 of those. We got another Affliction t-shirt, black label. I'm gonna get this for myself. Got this Born and Raised, size small. Have this brand called 12 Pieces. It's like the Arabic logo t-shirt. Found this I Pray, kind of like a eBay, but the I Pray. Found this Jackie Robins Black Heritage, double-sided. Found this Crooks and Castles. And we found this Barack Obama. Found this old school Hooters crew neck on the Hanes Comfort. Delightfully tacky yet undefined. Brand new with tags, Affliction, long sleeve. Original price $74. We're gonna pay $1.75. And then I'm getting this for my personal. We have this toppling tower, basically this 5-foot Jenga, just some butane service dog thing, and then a neck warmer. Find of today, Vlone Roots Picnic. Has all the artists on the back. Probably gonna keep this Second Amendment Taurus. Personal shorts. Found this Sony Music, nice fade. And this Jazz Festival.